How to get the new YouTube update. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can get the new YouTube update. So let's dive in. First, you simply have to go to your app store on your iPhone and you have to search for YouTube. So you can see I have no internet connection even if I'm connected to my data. So just drag the top right corner downwards and turn your Wi-Fi on. And once you turn your Wi-Fi on, it's going to just open your app store for you. And here you can see now my Wi-Fi is turned on. Now go to the search bar and here you have to search for YouTube. And then you simply have to click the YouTube option and here you'll find the YouTube watch listen stream option. Click it. And now you can see my app is up to date, so I cannot see an update button over here, but if your app needs update, you'll see the update option over here. The second method is you have to go to your settings. In the settings menu, you have to go to the general option. And here you have to just simply go to iPhone storage. And it's going to load this interface for you and you have to wait for it to load. Now scroll down and choose this YouTube app. And here you have to offload the app and reinstall it. And once you do so, your app will be up to date. And that's how you get the new YouTube update. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.